Welcome, everyone. Based on countless hours of research and independent studies, we have formulated and selected the best products of this year, saving you time scrolling through hundreds of internet websites and numerous trips to stores looking for that right product. We have compiled a list of the top recommended products. With great attention to detail, we have analyzed every product's value for the money spent, features and functionality, and also customer and expert reviews when we selected the best products. Spending a few minutes to watch this video about the top recommended products of the year will allow you to formulate a more decisive decision. Sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Busy has become a new way of living, so we invented a smarter way of cleaning. Introducing the BLACK+DECKER 2-in-1 cordless stick and hand vacuum with smart tech sensing features. AutoSense helps you power through your cleaning by automatically adjusting suction from bare floors to thick carpet, so you get more power when you need it and longer battery life too. Battery Sense shows you how much battery remains, so you know how much longer you can clean before you need to recharge. And Filter Sense alerts you when it's time to clean the filter, so you continue to get maximum performance. The BLACK+DECKER 2-in-1 cordless stick and hand vacuum with Smart Tech is super convenient for those hard-to-reach spots and those easy-to-miss places. With a long-lasting lithium-ion battery, you can move from room to room without the hassle of a cord. The BLACK+DECKER 2-in-1 cordless stick and hand vacuum with Smart Tech sensing features is affordable and now available at your favorite stores. Clean smarter, not harder.
Once upon a time, in a land not so far away, there was a young fairy who made messes all day. With a poof of her wand, dust plumes would appear. With a wave of her hand, cereal dropped out of thin air. The king and queen of her kingdom won't worry, for the Bissell air ram takes care of each mess in a hurry. With speed and agility, this hero saves the day, so our pint-sized pixie can continue to play. A long-lasting battery is always at hand to keep up with the fastest little fairy in the land. Even in spaces as dark as night, our hero carries a light that shines bright. Over hills, under bridges, around corners aplenty. This vacuum is lightweight and so easy to empty. Now our journey has come to an end, and Mess Fairy and Mommy have a new best friend.
And they all lived happily ever after.
I just leave the vacuum out so I can keep up with them.
My cleaning day? It should be every day.
What? I'm saving it for later.
With its long-lasting lithium-ion battery, the Hoover Lynx Cordless Stick Vac helps you keep up with the messes as they happen, wherever they happen. And it's the only cordless stick vac with patented wind tunnel technology. The Lynx Cordless Stick Vac from Hoover.
Hoover, nobody does it like you.